Hello, in front of me I've got MOTUS Scooty 10. In this video I'll show you how to fold the scooter. If you want to fold the scooter, take a look at the bottom of the steering bar. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, open the folding and now pull this lever. You have to do it with a little bit of strength. Once it's unlocked, you can lock the steering bar right here. To unlock it, pull this lever, keep it standing, and now lock here. Don't forget to again lock this lever. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.